When asked how the QT wave has helped her, this is what Leana had to say.
It's kind of a domino effect. Once my pain was, diminished, then I could sleep. And then once I got some sleep and got some rest, then, my mood has changed and I'm active. I am active. I have not been active in years, in decades. I mean, when I say active, I mean I'm out walking the neighborhood now. I haven't done that and I can't even tell you when. I can go out and I can walk the neighborhood.
First time in decades? What are you doing for the first time? It's so great when you feel better and better and better again.